Imagine this. Someone asks you, "How are you?" In your head, you think in your language first. Then you translate the words. Then you finally answer. This takes time. It feels slow. It feels tiring. Sound familiar? Today, we talk about a big secret, how to think in English. And how to stop translating in your head. Why is translating a problem? When you translate, your brain works 2 times. First, you think in your language. Second, you change it to English. This is slow. It makes you nervous. It makes you speak slower than you want. But there is good news. You can train your brain to think in English directly. Let's learn 4 simple ways. First, label things around you. Look at your room right now. Point to objects. Say their names in English. This is a chair. This is a window. This is my phone. Do this every day. Slowly, your brain connects the object directly to the English word. Not through your first language. Directly. Think about Mai. Mai is a student. Every morning, Mai looks around her room. She says, "This is my bed. This is my bag. This is my cup." It feels strange at first. But after 2 weeks, something happens. When Mai sees a cup, the word cup comes to her mind first. Not her own language. English. Second, talk to yourself in English. When you do simple things, describe them. I am walking. I am eating breakfast. I am opening the door. This feels silly. But it works. It trains your brain to make English sentences without translating. Start with easy words. Easy sentences. You do not need perfect grammar. Just talk. Just practice. Third, learn phrases, not only single words. Many learners study word by word. This is slow, because your brain must build sentences from small pieces. Instead, learn full phrases. For example, do not just learn the word birthday. Learn the full phrase, "Happy birthday to you." When you learn phrases, your brain remembers the sound and the meaning together. You do not need to build the sentence piece by piece. It becomes automatic. Fourth, listen and watch without translating. When you watch an English video, do not stop to translate every word. Just listen. Try to understand the general idea. It is okay if you miss some words. Your brain is still learning, even when you do not understand everything. Over time, you understand more, without translating. So, let's remember. To think in English, do 4 things. Label things around you. Talk to yourself in English. Learn phrases, not only words. And listen without translating every word. This takes time. Be patient with yourself. One day, you will hear a question in English. And the answer will come to your mind, in English too. No translating. Just thinking. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.